Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to automatically sync the video and audio on Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To automatically sync video and audio in Capcut, whether on Mac or PC, you can use the auto sync feature that helps align audio tracks with video clips. I find it very particularly useful for syncing background music, voiceovers, or sound effects to your video footage. So I want you to click the Create a Project once you open the Capcut on your computer. But if you are already working on a specific project, just click on it. Now, I'm going to import two files, which is going to be my video, drag it to the timeline and the audio. Wait for it, takes a little while. As you can see, if you click the zoom into our timeline, they are not synced, all right? They're not synchronized. So for you to be able to do that, select the two elements right here, both of them. Once selected, right click on it and there should be an option here that says sync video and audio. Wait for it, takes a little while depending on the speed of your computer. Now once it's loaded and it's correctly synced together, click the play button to make sure that they are working seamlessly in a cohesive video right here. And then once you're happy with that, you might want to add in some more elements along the way. For example, I'm going to be adding this third element, which is right here, our thumbnail, to make sure that we have everything covered. And then I'm going to click the playthrough to make sure that the audio and video is synchronized. As you can see, we have successfully done that. And then once you're happy, click the export button and save it to different file formats that you wanted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.